2, 3, 4.
I was talking to a girl who's been in Dynamites for quite a few years, and she was a senior at South High School. Her name is Paola, and she was sharing with me that when she first came to South High School there were not hardly any Latino students, and she was one of the only ones, and she felt pretty alone at first. And then she thought about her time with Dynamites and how the organization really reflects students of all cultural backgrounds, and it taught her to, forge those relationships and build friendships with people of all different cultures. And she attributes all of her friendships at South to being involved with the Dynamites program and being able to make friends with people no matter what culture they're from.
One memory comes to mind in particular. I'm a co-coach of the Penguins 3rd to 5th grade girls, and all year we were working on trying to learn how to skate backwards, which was very challenging for a lot of the girls. By that point, a lot of them had done pretty well with the skating forwards, but backwards was a whole different story. A lot of them really struggled, and we worked through the entire year to try to get some of these girls to be able to skate confidently backwards. And a lot of the girls would just keep telling themselves, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't skate backwards, it's too hard, I can't do it. And as a coach, I always tried to encourage them, yes you can do it, you just have to keep trying. And so we worked through this all year. And then this particular story was in the spring during Learn to Skate, and some of our older girls have an opportunity to volunteer with Learn to Skate, and so they can come and help teach these younger kids how to skate. And so Faith came, and she had really started to master the skating backwards thing. And she was helping this one particular 1st grader skate. And this young girl was just having a really tough time, really struggling just to stay on her feet, kept telling Faith, I can't do it, I can't do it. I'm gonna fall, I can't do it. And Faith looked her straight in the face and said, you can do it. You can do it. I know you can do it. You can't tell yourself, I can't do it, because I know that you can do it. And then she looked up at me and she said, you taught me that. And while she was doing it, she was skating backwards.
Morning comes in light. Still I must obey. Still I must invite. If there's anything to say, if there's anything to do, if there's any other way, I'll do anything for you. I'll